Hello.
Hello,
Hello, good
good
morning.
morning. Good, good morning, ma'am. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How are you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Yeah, how are you? I'm asking.
Good, ma'am. Thank.
Good.
What's about you?
I am
Yep.
wonderful. How is your morning going?
Nice.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
My name is Rupali. I'll be taking the session. And since this is our first session together, would you mind telling me a little bit about yourself?
Yeah. I am Dipender, and I belong to Tarkasi, which is in Uttarakhand, and currently I am living in Dehradun, and I am pursuing graduation, BSc, CVZ, and I am also doing job. My shift will start at 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. So I will go 2 p.m. for office. So yeah, till now I am free. So I thought why not book a session and to improve ourselves.
All right. Okay, so Dipendra, let's begin our session. And during the session, if you make any mistakes or if you face any difficulty while speaking, I'll correct you and will pause. Okay.
Okay.
So today's topic is self improvement.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
our main topic. But from today's topic onwards, you would start doing extempore topics as well. So extempore means to speak on something without preparing it beforehand. I'm going to give you two small topics. You have to select one of them, speak on that topic for 2 3 minutes, a few minutes only, whatever comes into your mind. That is called extempore. Okay. So
Okay.
your first topic is happy versus successful, and the second topic is best small business ideas. Which one would you like to speak on?
I think happy versus
Versus
successful.
successful. You can start whenever you are ready.
So I can say if you are happy, so you are successful, or if you are unhappy, so I think you something you are missing. So yeah, you can feel unhappy for that, whichever thing is missing on your life, or I can say everyone's life, and something we want to achieve and sometimes we can't able to achieve that, so we feel unhappy. But yeah, there is learning, something we learn from that mistakes, and we can correct all those mistakes, and we can move on in our life, and we can be happy, I think, if we set this mindset in our mind or in our brain. We tell every time we tell our mind this thing, failure is a part of life, but yeah, if we want to be happy, so we have to moving forward in life, and we have to improve ourselves, and we have to work on our mistakes we have made, and we have to work on those, and then we can be happy, I think. And happiness is important to live the life, because without happiness is life is nothing, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So there is happiness and unhappiness. They both of those are I can say, which is one coin has head and tail. So I think,
So you can say there are two sides of the coin of the
yeah,
same.
there are two sides of the coins, head and tail, and same thing is with life. There are two sides of life, happiness and unhappiness, I can say.
Happiness and sadness.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, very well said actually. Good job. Now let's talk about the main topic, which is self improvement. Can you tell me what are the things you are doing this year to improve yourself, or currently something you're doing for self improvement? So, one is
uh,
obviously
cur-
working on English.
yeah, currently my goal is to improve my fluency, and I want to be fluent in English, and I want to interact with the peoples, and in a good way, not a wrong way, but in a good way. I want to interact, and in a I want to keep improving myself, and for improving myself, I am doing not doing that much things because I have a job, and sometimes I have to go college, so don't have that much time. But whatever time, whichever time I have, I utilize my time. I try to improve and work on my fluency, and if I will be able to speak fluently, and I will be a good speaker, so I can say I can do lots of things in life, and I can give interview in a good company. I can interact with the. So yeah, I can say self improvement is most important, because if we are keep improving ourselves, so we feel good, and I think feel happy if we able to improve. But yeah, sometimes we always try to improve, but we made mistakes, so we have to work on the mistakes which have we have made, and try to improve ourselves. And I think keep believing in yourself, which is important. I think everyone says whichever whoever achieve good things in life, I can say, so they have believe in themselves, so that is the most important, to believe. So if you have a belief, if someone have believe in themselves, so yeah, they can improve, or they can uh, do better things in life, I can say.
Okay. Here, some small things I want to correct. So one thing is, Dipender, it is not people's. People is the word. People itself is a plural word. We don't have to use s. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
just make sure you don't make the same mistake again. Second thing is, I just asked you one small question, which was, what are the things you are doing this year to improve yourself? So you are only supposed to mention the things that this year, like you said that okay, I want to improve on my fluency, and for that I am working on my English. That's it. Okay, that's it.
yeah,
You don't have to say more than that. Second thing is, one other thing you said that if someone has belief in themselves, you will not say if someone has belief in themselves. You can just say if someone believes in themselves. Okay, not has belief or believes in themselves. The two different words. Okay, so just make sure you use the correct form of belief. Okay. So right now we can see you are just working on your communication skills and fluency. Hmm?
yes, sir.
Anything else you would like to work on in the maybe future to improve yourself? Something you would like to do, and you have to think of not just like career wise, but in every any aspect of your life.
Yeah, I can say I want to give good things to my mother, and because she is always with me in my hard time and my good time. And so yeah, I can say I want to give something to my mother, and I also wanna do something for my father. He's doing hard work, and he is doing hard work, and he did lot of things for us. And so yeah, I can say I want to do something for my parents or my family. I can say, and if I am able to uh, I am able to capable of that much, so yeah, then I will able to do something for my family or my parents. If I am capable, so I can do something for them, but if I am not capable to do that, so yeah, obviously I can't. So yeah, I can say something for family. And if myself, I thought my self growth is enough. So I think there is no satisfaction in life, but every phase you have learned lots of things, and if you are keep in learning phase, so that is good. If you are in our learning phase. So in since the childhood to if you will go in a senescent stage, you have to keep learning. So yeah, that is the thing which I want to do in my life. I keep learning, and something I want to contribute to my family, because still I am not able to do. But yeah, in my future, so I want to do something for the parents or family.
Okay. That was not what I asked. What I asked was, what would you like to do in the future to improve yourself? I didn't say कि what you want to do in the future for somebody else. खुद को improve करने के लिए in the future what do you want to do? Like in the present, you are working on your English skills to improve yourself, so you will get a better job. You will be able to communicate with people. Similar way, in the future, what do you want to do to improve yourself? Self improvement.
I think I am. Uh, I want to do something for my health,
Okay.
because my hands are so thin. So I want to work on my body.
Okay.
Uh,
Physical
that
fitness you want
that
to
thing I
work
have,
on.
and
Mhm.
till now I am not able to, because don't have that much amount of money to go gym. Sometimes I go for a run, and
But
sometimes
I'm
I,
sure, like you're working and you're studying, so I'm sure you can't find time right now as well, right? To work
yeah,
out
yeah,
because you have to give time to that, and not just like going to the gym, but then you'll have to work on your diet also. And when we don't have that much spare time, so we can't really focus on our health more, right?
yeah, yeah. And
Hmm.
I want to do something for my health. And sometime I do yoga, and go for a run, and do push-ups, and
Hmm.
sometimes whenever I have time, so
Hmm.
I try to do that work on, because if our health is good, so we
Then
can
only we'll
do
be able
our
to,
work.
yeah.
Yeah, then we can do our work properly if we are physically good
Mhm.
or
Physically
fine.
and mentally healthy.
Yeah,
Okay. And what have you done in the past to improve yourself? Anything you did in the past? Any time in the past?
I think I have lots of the responsibilities since my childhood, so not that much things I
Okay,
did,
maybe you. Mhm. Go on.
whenever I used to study in uh, my school. So I my school is 5 kilometer far from my home. So I used to go,
Right.
what to say, by my legs, I can say.
You used to walk to school.
Yeah, I used to walk 5 kilometers, and then back to home 5 kilometers. So that is a big thing I have, and so
Every
I
day.
can't. Yeah, I have feel tired and every day. So yeah, sometimes I have to do some farming work with my grandfather. Till now he's no more, but yeah, I used to do farming with my grandfather, and lots of the memories I have with him. So yeah, I only did these things with my grandfather, and nothing I have improved, I can say. But yeah, I did hard work, and do farming with my grandfather, and because my father used to work in a truck driver at that time. So my father is not at home, so me and my grandfather used to do farming
Mhm.
in our farms. So yeah,
All right.
lots of the so I can't even able to study well on that time. And the school is so far from my home. So yeah, and that school is not that much good, I can say. Hindi medium school and government school, and about the government schools situations are not that much good, and teachers are not focused on that much to students. in government. If I, to be honest, if I say this thing, I have looked a lot of things in the school time. So yeah, some teachers are serious for their job, but most of the are not interested on that much.
Mm-hmm.
They are just taking tuition and getting money or earning money, I can say, but
Mm-hmm.
not that much serious about the students, whoever is in a rural area. So
Mm-hmm. That's
they
true. That's
don't focus on that much,
mm-hmm.
I can say.
All right. Okay. Then there's some very small things I want to correct. Okay. So when you were talking about you, so since this was something that happened in the past, so you will use first of all past tense only. So instead of saying that I do farming with my grandfather, you can say I used to do farming, or I used to help my grandfather in farming. And you said till now he is no more. Till now means abhi tak. So you can't say अभी तक वो जिंदा नहीं है. You will say now he is no more. Okay? So correct word is now he is no more. And just keep that in mind that you have to use past tense. Okay? You will not use present tense because you were using present tense. Okay? So जब भी past की बात करते हैं we will only use past tense. Alright? Or you can say I did farming with my grandfather. I used to do farming. I did farming. Both of them you can use whichever one you want to use. Okay? Right. Have you ever? Oh, wait. Our time is about to be over. Let me stop right here. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, so can you please tell me how can I improve,
Yes, yes,
and
definitely.
how, and
Hmm.
which kind of things you used to do whenever you are in a learning phase?
Yes. So first of all, Dipender, I would say your English is good. It's not bad. Yeah, there are small areas like a little bit of our tenses, a little bit of prepositions that we need to work on. One more thing that is very important, always try to answer only thing that is asked, because what you do not you know when to stop, and you keep on repeating the same thing again and again and again. You don't have to repeat it. Once you've said it, that's it, and just stop right there. Sometimes we don't want to like leave that awkward silence, so we just keep on speaking, but you have to know when to stop, so that by saying the sentence again and again it doesn't become repetitive. Second thing is again these small grammar mistakes. I'm sure you already know that how to say them correctly, but by while speaking you make these mistakes, so you have to do more speaking practice. And I would say other things that can help you definitely, depending if you have time during your day, whenever you are free, try to do some reading books. Very important. It is very helpful because it will tell you how to use some new words, how to make perfect and good sentences, you because you will come across a lot of different sentences while reading. Okay, I personally used to do a lot of reading when I was in school. Apart from this, do as much listening practice as possible, because sometimes you can miscomprehend the question also. हम कभी कभी गलत क्वेश्चन समझ लेते हैं and हम आंसर भी गलत देते हैं. So you need to